I'm just kidding, we're not going there. This is a 2016 Hyundai I30, and those are known to fail the annual test because the headlights reflector get all messed up. Also, where I'm from, there is currently a lawsuit going on against Hyundai for that matter in a couple of different models. I looked up everywhere on the net and couldn't find any detailed DIY tutorial on how to change those headlights, and it has some quickie bolts we need to undo along the way. So let me show you how to do it, so you can also replace those old headlights with new ones and drive safe just for a while, until the reflectors will go bad all over again. The order of most steps is not strict, you can work in whatever order you like. I'm going to show you how I did it anyway. I started by removing those plastic clips connecting the bumper to the front part of the engine bay. You just take a trim removal tool or a thin screwdriver and pull the inner part out from the outer part. Turn the wheel so you can have better access to the 8mm bolt holding the bumper and remove it. Remove two 10mm bolts and one 12 that holds the headlight. On the driver's side headlight you have also another 10mm that holds a diagnostic socket. Remove it as well. Pull the bumper gently upwards and outside until it unclips. Now we exposed another 10mm bolt that holds the light in place. We don't need to remove it all the way, but just enough to make the headlight free. Disconnect the wiring harness and just help the headlight find a way outside. Now this I30 looks like a fish at the market with no eyes. So I take out the new ones out of the package. We can't install them just yet, we need to move the bulbs from the old headlight to the new one. We got the 8.7 low beam, a T10 parking light, another 8.7 for the high beam, and the turning signal bulb. Make sure you don't touch the bulb with your fingers. And if you do, clean the bulb so no oil or grease would contaminate the bulb and cause damage. Now look at the old versus the new headlight. We can see that the plastic cover has seen better days, but the problem here is the reflector that goes bad. So the installation is in the reverse order. First, slide the headlight in place, return the diagnostic socket in place, and tighten the bolts, but not too tight, it's just plastic. Plug the connector back to the headlight, and again with gentle lift and press, clip the bumper back to its place. Don't forget the 8mm bolt of the bumper. And now let's check it out. That looks awesome! I guess some of you are new to the channel and wondering what this license plate is all about. It's actually the name of my Hebrew YouTube channel. There is some black seal that's smeared on the headlight in the factory, so I cleaned it better later. If your i30 is having the same problem, please let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Bye!